Kale was full life. He was bigger than life, I would say. You know, one word to probably sum him up is just, he was just a good person. Just a good person. Really, really good person. So I went with him with my father and my sister. We went to a doctor's appointment with him. And he, was told at that time that he was diagnosed with cancer. I actually discovered it on the same day that he went to his appointment. They had given us a copy of his x-rays, the printout to take to the oncologist. And as I was reading, we were walking to another section of the hospital, and I was reading it, and it was saying comparing to other previous films. And so that kind of struck me because, again, working in a medical office for 15 years, I'm accustomed to reading reports. So I'm like, what previous films? When was this previously done? And so that kind of struck something within me to say, this is something I want to pursue, but my brother's health right now is more important, so I'm going to pursue him and getting him treatment first before addressing this at a later time. Mr. Consult reminds me of my brother-in-law, just mild and meek and just very concerning. And as I'm crying and trying to talk, and he was very consoling, and everyone, the staff and everyone was just so consoling. And it felt instantly so funny, like family, because it was my first encounter with him, and it felt just like family, like my brother, or someone embracing me, or someone being there in my family who was consoling me. So it was absolutely the most wonderful group of people. This is the best law firm by far. They have caring, compassionate people that work here, that they have someone that will go more than a mile for you, that they work 100% for you, and that this is just a great law firm, and that I would highly recommend them. I mean, I have cards in my pocketbook. I go to places that have bulletin board, and I stick them up on the bulletin board. And, I put my brother's name on the back of them to just, let them know that not only am I grateful, my family's grateful, but Stanley Cars is absolutely grateful.